Welcome to my print-on-demand Shopify store setup tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you have to take in order to set up a Shopify store which sells different print-on-demand products. It's a lot easier than you might think. You can actually do it for free in the sense that you're allowed to work on it for free using a Shopify Partner account. So just press join now here. I'm just going to log in real quick. Okay, so once you have logged in or made an account, you will see this screen here. You will not have any stores here, but you can see that I have stores. All you want to do is press add store here, and you want to click development store. Just give it a name. So I'm going to call it Italia quotes print on demand, just so that I actually know what it is. Password, we'll just use a generic password. Okay, so where it says developer preview, do not press this. Okay, if you press this, you will not be able to make it into a real store in the future. Okay, another thing you can do is you can just do Shopify free trial like this, and you can just you can go through the Shopify free trial as well. It's the same thing, except this is completely free and you don't even need payment information or anything like that. So then you just want to put your address. I'm going to hide mine. Here, store purpose, you can just put I'm just playing around and then press save. Okay, so you now have a Shopify store. The first thing I want you to do, is to add some products. For this, I'm going to be using FlyingUpload. I will show you how to do that in the future in this video, but I'm just waiting for them to give me an account because basically they reached out to me. As you guys may or may not know, I don't really do affiliate links, but I was already thinking of using FlyingUpload, but the problem is I didn't have enough money to pay for it. They reached out to me randomly, as a lot of companies do, and they said, we'll give you a free account and you can use an affiliate link. So because I was already going to use this product anyway for this video, I'm really happy that they actually reached out to me. So I don't have to pay for it. I'm just waiting for them to give me my my free account basically. But for now, I'm just going to add a couple of products. Another thing we're going to have to do is sign up to Printful, so I think we'll do that now. Okay, so I actually don't know which is best, but it looks like the only option is Printful, so I think we will sign up to Printful. I think I already have an account, to be honest with you, so yeah, just Google or whatever, Printful. I'm going to log in. Sorry, it's in Italian, I'll change it. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Printful. I've already done things here because I've done this before, but you can follow this guide here. It should be at the top of your dashboard. I'm going to skip straight to connect to your store, so let's go on stores here. So you can see I signed up to patterned laptop sleeves. This was an idea I had in the past. So let's create a new one here. So we want to press choose platform and obviously Shopify here. I'm hoping this is impossible on, I'm hoping this is possible on a development store. In fact, I know it is, it's fine. So click on get the app here and then go log in to your Shopify again like that. And then I want to add it to log in with your shop URL. Let's grab that. This is your shop URL right here. So let's just do that and then log in. Might be wrong because the HTTPS, no, it's perfect. Okay, add app, you're gonna have to click it again just because that's the way these things work. Install the app like that, and then bada bing, bada boom. You already have an account, so press continue here, and then connect store to income stream server at gmail.com. Perfect, so now if I click on stores here, I should have a new store right here. And I'm just going to add a sample product just so you guys can see how this works, but later on in the video, or maybe in the next video, probably in the next video, depends how long they take to get back to me, I will explain to you how to use FlyingUpload. If you want to support my channel, guys, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description. I think I'll go with, yeah, it doesn't really matter. I'll just go with any product for now. So I'll just click this product here. Let's go on where I saved my designs, or you can just go on Canva. So Canva's really good because it saves your projects on your projects. So if I open my projects, you'll see a lot of my thumbnails, but one of these, some of these, sorry, should be, yeah, my designs. Okay, so we'll use this per favore example here. This is a design that I made for my Redbubble store. I'm just going to download it, transparent background. You can do loads and loads of these at the same time. Oh, here they all are. I've already done it. I showed you this in a recent video. It's so easy. On Canva, you just press add new page. I recommend giving them a name here with the number, so 2 points scusami. The reason that I recommend you do that is number one, it's better for SEO, and number two, because when you download them, they'll be in order if you put a number here. So all you do, if I scroll all the way down, I really like this design. Let's just copy this, okay, and then add new page, bang, and then change the text, full stop. That's all you have to do, and then give it a title. So 17 point change the text, and then just hit download again. But I've already done it, so show in folder here. Let me extract all here. Okay, I now have some designs to work with. I think I'll just use this one here, the per favore. Again, probably in the next video, I will show you guys how to do this on bulk, but for now, let's just... Okay, so we need it to be white or something light because the text is black. And then it says drop your design here, so I'm just going to drag and drop it. Again, FlyingUpload, but I'll show you how to do it manually as well, just because I may as well. Okay, while this is loading, it's going to take a while, I think. There are different print-on-demand companies. There's Gelato. Obviously, I live in Italy, so searching Gelato doesn't really work. I have to search Gelato print-on-demand. There you go. That's quite funny, actually. Gelato has apparently really good quality. There's also Printify. I have affiliate links with Printful, but I'm not going to put them in this video. Probably not going to put them in this video. So I have Printify as well. Printify is apparently really good as well. Honestly, I haven't done that much research into them, so maybe do your own research and find out which one works for you. I'm just using Printful because I already have it and I know that it has FlyingUpload integration. This is not working. Okay, there we go, it worked. That looks fine for me. I actually really like it. So we'll click proceed to media. Definitely, I think the price will have to go up because $11.95. Yeah, if that's the cost for me, then we've got a problem here. So these are the mock-ups. I think all of them are fine. Does it just download all of them? I just want to download all of them. Okay, so I guess I'll just leave this one selected here and then we'll go to proceed to details. This is where your SEO comes into play, okay? So you want to do oh my god, I think I've written it wrong. On the design, wait, per favore. Come si scrive per favore? Perfetto. Oh my god, I've written it wrong. Classic. I'm such an idiot. Wait, no. That's right. How do you write? Oh no, it's right. Sorry guys, never mind. So per favore, women's basic Italian. So yeah, this is really stupid. Why do they not have the word cotton here? Like, first of all, you need to put as many keywords here as possible. Okay, so they should have the word cotton. They should have slim fit. And we're also going to put, we'll put a tagline on the entire website. So you can imagine this is the meta title, guys. I'm not actually going to write this. Quotes. Okay, Okay, so this I'm actually going to put as a tagline on the website on Shopify. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to delete it, but just note that this will be at the end of every title. Okay. I really like that. That looks fine. Definitely you want to be writing something in the description as well. I'm going to use Jasper for this because I'm lazy. I also have Jasper affiliate links if you want to get Jasper. You really don't need it for this at all. Like I said, I'm just lazy. So the good thing about Jasper is because I'm going to be making a lot of these designs, a lot. Okay, I'm probably going to be doing at least 50. I'm going to use FlyingUpload, Canva, and Jasper to get that done as quickly as possible. Okay, so the good thing about Jasper for that is it just works super well. So if I go on product description, there it is. All you want to do is you want to put the title here, and then you want to put the description here, and then you literally just want to press generate content. You can generate it in any language pretty much, and I've heard that the Italian translations are, pretty good. So let's just copy this here, and then we'll just stick that above. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to proceed. I'm just going to assume that's fine because Jasper's pretty good. These settings will be saved and used. What do you mean? Free shipping? No. Size guide, yes. Okay. I want to see. Okay, there we go. Get rid of that. I hate React apps sometimes. Guys, just so you're aware, if you can't see something on a screen that you think you should be able to see, the best way to see it is to zoom out. So let's get rid of that. As of 6th of July, select product prices will change. Show new prices, okay. Yeah, okay, show new prices for sure. Okay, so we want to give ourselves a bit more of a margin here. So we'll go for $14.99. Still, that's really cheap, but that's GBP, which is sterling. And they will have to pay for shipping unless it's over a certain amount. So yeah, that should be fine. That gives us a barrier where every 2.5 shirts, if they're not returned, then we're making a profit basically. So now I'm just going to press submit to store. I'm happy with everything there. And yeah, that should, why is there no design on here? What's going on? Okay, the reason that I recommend you do this first, okay, is because it's much easier to build a Shopify store once you have products on it. The reason is because if you go on any website, okay, the first thing you see when you go on a website homepage is, of course, products or collections, okay? You can't make collections and products without products, obviously. Okay, so if I click on products here now, this should be here. There it is, perfect. So let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna go on online store just to show you that you need products to make a store, okay? I'm not gonna make the store in this video. This is gonna be an entire playlist, an entire course for free on YouTube, as usual. So I'm gonna leave some things for the next videos. I'll show you how to make the actual Shopify store, etc., etc. For now, I just want to show you how to actually customize a little bit your store. So you want to click on customize basically here. Just a couple of things is we are on Dawn 5.00, which is one of the best themes that Shopify has ever released. You do not need a paid theme, okay? And I just love the fact that I can work on this store completely for free in the background. I could work on it for months and months and months. Because I'm not paying for it basically. So already you can see that there it is, perfect. Look at that. We've just got started, we've just added one product, it's already on there. I'm gonna leave the video here. I'm just gonna say a couple more things. If you ever want to see your store, just click on actions here and press preview. And then if I scroll down, you'll see there it is. That looks beautiful. I am going to end the video here and then work on the next video. Just one more thing before I go. If you want to see your website on mobile, then right click inspect and then click this little button here. It will then show you what it looks like on different phones. So if I go on iPhone 12, for example, you can see that everything is nice and responsive, which is to be expected with Shopify anyway. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that this course will help some people. This is just the first episode, which is how to kind of get started, what the logic is, how it all works, etc., etc. Basically, when someone orders from here, the order just goes directly through to Printful. Printful makes the order, sends it to the client, and then you pay for it in the future. Basically, you can set it up so you pay in the future. I'll talk about that in another video as well, but for now, you've got enough to start working. Get on with it, guys. Make sure you write good descriptions. I love it. I love how easy it is to set up a Shopify store, honestly, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and peace out.